Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States.
In the complex labyrinth of words and phrases that comprise the English language, idioms insert a distinct twist. Today, our journey takes us through the phrase, "walk a mile in my shoes." With roots in a Native American proverb, this phrase extends beyond a mere assembly of words. Picture, if you will, physically donning another person's shoes and venturing a full mile. Quite a challenging thought, right? However, this phrase isn't about shoes or extensive walks. It represents a plea for empathy, an open invitation to perceive life from another individual's viewpoint. As each traversed mile is unique, so are the experiences. Hence, when someone remarks, "walk a mile in my shoes," they're seeking to be understood. They're seeking empathy. They implore you to momentarily view the world through their lens, to empathize with them, their emotions, and to comprehend their journey. So the next time you come across "walk a mile in my shoes," remember it signifies more than a phrase.